This is gonna be a super easy tutorial, and I will show you how to create this gorgeous PS1 style car in Nomad sculpt. Start with a plain primitive, subdivide it a few times, then go to texture and add an image of Papercraft car. I will link this one in the description below. Disable symmetry and use the cell mask to cover everything but the side view of the car. Invert the mask and trim everything. Move the pivot point up. Now duplicate the main plane and start masking the roof, the windows and the back of the car. Trim everything else and clear the mask. After you finish, select each part, center the pivot point, and select Move Origin. Move the side of the car away from the center and mirror it on the Z-axis. Now center the pivot point and enable symmetry. Adjust the position. Duplicate the main plane. This time, mask everything but the hood and the front. Invert the mask and trim everything. Center the pivot point and select Move Origin, then move it to the front. Now select the side of the car. Select the top object and mask the front window and the roof. Adjust the pivot point and rotate the rear window. Now mask the rear window, adjust the pivot point and rotate the rest. Adjust the position if you need to and clear the mask. Now select the side object and mask the top half, adjust the pivot point and rotate. Mask half of the remaining area, adjust the pivot point and rotate. Clear the mask. Select the top object again, mask everything but the front window. Adjust the pivot point, rotate and clear the mask. Select the hood, adjust the position, adjust the pivot point and rotate. Now mask the hood, adjust the pivot point and rotate. Clear the mask and move it to the front if necessary. You can fine-tune it further using the same method. Now use another plane and mask the wheel. The image was a little bit stretched, so I scaled it down a little bit. Use the trim tool and clear the mask. Center the pivot point and add cylinder. Scale it down and change the color. Join the two parts, adjust the position. Mirror it on the Z-axis, make instance and move it to the front. Select the body parts and adjust the position. Make instance of the wheels, move it away and scale it down. Change target to vertex so you can control the wheels. Now for the post-processing, uncheck the first three boxes and slide down the multiplier slider. Enable post-process, enable sharpness and increase it to 0.5. Enable pixel art and increase it to 3. Add light source and you are good to go.